Hey everyone, today, we're jumping into the fascinating world of food and chemistry. Have you ever wondered how the nutrients in your meals impact your body? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create a balanced weekly menu that not only tastes great but also fuels your body with the right macronutrients and micronutrients. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to eat better, this video is for you. Let's break it down meal by meal, so you can see how easy it is to incorporate the science of nutrition into your everyday life. Let's get cooking. Creating a balanced weekly menu from a chemistry perspective involves considering the nutrients and their roles in the body. Here's a sample menu that incorporates various food groups, ensuring a good mix of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Weekly balanced diet menu. Day 1. Breakfast, oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of nuts, fiber, antioxidants, healthy fats. Lunch, quinoa salad with chickpeas, spinach, and cherry tomatoes, complete protein, vitamins. Dinner, grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A and C. Day 2. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with honey and mixed fruits, protein, probiotics. Lunch, whole grain wrap with turkey, lettuce, avocado, and hummus, lean protein, healthy fats. Dinner, stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables and brown rice, plant-based protein, fiber. Day 3. Breakfast, smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk, vitamins, minerals, healthy carbs. Lunch, lentil soup with whole grain bread, fiber, iron, complex carbs. Dinner, baked chicken breast with quinoa and roasted carrots, lean protein, beta-carotene. Day 4. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with tomatoes and whole grain toast, protein, vitamins. Dinner, pasta with marinara sauce, grilled vegetables, and a side of garlic bread, carbs, vitamins. Day 5. Breakfast, chia seed pudding with almond milk and fruit, fiber, omega-3s. Lunch, black bean tacos with avocado and salsa, plant-based protein, healthy fats. Dinner, beef stir-fry with bell peppers and brown rice, iron, vitamin C. Day 6. Breakfast, whole grain pancakes with maple syrup and banana, carbs, potassium. Lunch, capri salad with fresh mozzarella, basil, and tomatoes, calcium, vitamins. Dinner, shrimp tacos with cabbage slaw and lime, lean protein, vitamins. Day 7. Breakfast, smoothie bowl with mixed berries, granola, and seeds, antioxidants, fiber. Lunch, veggie burger on a whole grain bun with sweet potato fries, plant protein, vitamins. Dinner, stuffed bell peppers with rice, beans, and cheese, fiber, protein. General tips: hydration, drink plenty of water throughout the week. Snacks, include healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, and yogurt. Variety, aim for a variety of colors on your plate to ensure a range of nutrients. Portion control, pay attention to portion sizes to maintain balance. This menu is designed to provide a variety of nutrients essential for health while also being enjoyable. A balanced weekly menu that combines delicious flavors with the power of chemistry. Remember, every bite you take is not just about taste. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Whether you choose to follow this menu or opt for a more creative culinary approach, it's important to ensure that your meals are balanced. After all, maintaining balance in your diet is essential for overall well-being, much like the art of juggling, where precision is key to avoiding unexpected outcomes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty science content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the delicious world of food and chemistry.